But hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the new product from Lumoonosity. So they sent this over, obviously. I just received it today actually. On their packaging, like the actual packaging, they have like Lumoonosity tape, which is pretty cool. So right here you just have a little note and it just says, thank you for being like a brand ambassador for us. And then on the back, it just says color your life. This is a original design, so they made this actual design. It's brand new. No one has it out there because it's original design. So this is a game controller. They also have a live, like a studio set thing. So whenever you go live or whatever, you could put it on the outside of your door or somewhere near your studio, and people know that you're going live just by the sign because it looks really cool. Now I believe this does retail for about $38 on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description. It should be on sale for the first few weeks or so for the launch. But let's get straight into it. I've done many neon signs from this company. It's like a new popular thing that they have now. This is USB powered, bright and vivid, easy to install, and it does have a switch. Let's get straight into it. So I did test it out to make sure it obviously works. It does. So this is it. It's a really high quality version of most neon signs out there. So right here you just have some business cards, satisfactory card, and then right here you have an applicator. So it shows you how to install the neon sign. Right here you also have some command strips technically, and this will help so you can mount it on a wall and it won't really do any damage to the wall. So it does have this little protector. Let's go ahead and take it off. Let's get a power bank here. Obviously this is USB powered, so you can just plug it into anything that supports USB, and then it has a switch here. So let me go and turn off the lights and show you what this looks like. All right, we're gonna turn it on in 3, 2, 1. So that's what that looks like. It's a 3 colorway, which is new. I've only seen a 2 colorway from this company, and it's obviously yellow, pink, and blue. I've never seen 3 colors before, and it looks really good. You have the little mounting holes right here. I'll show you in a bit what that looks like, but this is super nice. As you can see, it's a good diffusion. It's really bright, and it'll look really good on the wall. I'll probably throw some B-roll in while I'm talking about it, but it looks super, super nice. And then obviously on the back, of this, it does have an acrylic, so it's a really high quality material. That's what that looks like, and I'm pretty excited to set this up. I don't know where I'm gonna put it because I don't really have too much room, but I'll find somewhere to put it. And then we'll do some B-roll and show you what this looks like in a setup and all that stuff like that. So this looks super amazing. Now, like I said, this does retail for about 30 bucks. It is an original design. Not many people have it, but it looks really good. So this is something you should pick up for your setup. Maybe not this one, it could be the other one, the live streaming one. If you're an influencer streamer, you could pick one of those up. Highly recommend both of them. I might actually pick up that one as well. So yeah, that's all I have to say about this product. It's really good, high quality materials, long lasting. I do have like 5 or 6 other ones that I've done a review of. I've done a lightning bolt, a cloud, a alien, a love one, what else? I think another lightning bolt, a moon. I've done a ton of them. There's a lot. Oh, and a pineapple. I've done a pineapple in an acrylic, and it was a 2 colorway, which is the first time I've seen that one, which is really cool. Yeah, but these acrylics are super nice. I'll leave a link in the description for all of the acrylic types and as many neon signs from this company as possible. You could pick those up, or you could just watch the videos of those. I'll throw those up as well. So if you want to check those ones out, you can check it out at the end of the video or in the description down below. So thank you for watching. I'll go ahead and mount these up, and I'll see you guys next one.